Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And from the thumbnail and the title, y'all could already pretty much tell what's going on in this video. We have an everything chocolate brown haul. So in last week's video, I did an everything pink haul where I showed you guys some of the cute pink stuff that I got from Shein and Temu. I also did a tutorial in that video on how I put these nails on. And as you guys can see, I still have the nails on. So the semi-solid nail glue that I tried in that video is definitely giving everything it was supposed to give, because the nails are still nailing. They have not fallen off. They are not even lifting at all. As you guys can see, like, the nails are not going anywhere no time soon. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It has been a week, and as you can see, the nails are still on after a whole week. Normally I start taking my nails off after the 5th day, but I am in love with these nails. I don't want to take them off yet, but of course I gotta give y'all another tutorial real soon. So they'll be coming off soon and we'll be getting into another set. But right now, what we about to do is get into this everything chocolate haul. And every time I say chocolate, I just gotta be like this because y'all see it? Y'all see that chocolate? My name ain't Chalk for no reason, okay? But anyway, let's jump on into this haul. So I'm gonna get into the stuff that I got from Hershey's Chocolate World first. Here it is, Hershey's Chocolate World. I got this super cute Hershey's blinged out tumbler cup. It is so cute, and look at the bling, y'all. Like, it is really blinging. I love anything that's shiny and blingy. So when I saw this cup, I had to have it because I'm like, this is so cute. I love that it has Hershey's in brown, and then the cup is blinged out in silver. It came with the top and the straw, stainless steel, which we love, so it's definitely going to keep my drinks nice and cold, or you know, keep my hot stuff nice and hot. So that's the first thing that I got from Hershey's Chocolate World. So I am a very matchy girl with my outfits and my accessories. So I also match my cup to whatever outfit and accessories I am wearing for that day. So I was like, I gotta get some merch to go with the cup. So I also got this Hershey's hat. It's a chocolate brown hat with white stitching, adjustable with the Velcro strap in the back. So you can adjust it to fit your head however you need. I have like a girly tomboy type of style, so hats are always in my wardrobe somewhere. I love the chocolate brown color on this hat, and I just had to have it because it went so cute with the cup. Let me put it on for y'all. Hats just look so cute on me, so if you are a hat girly, like this video if you are a hat girly. Okay, drop a comment and let me know if you a hat girly. And it, period, like, this is gonna be so cute together. And let me show you the third thing that I got that goes with this hat and this cup. So of course I can't just have the hat and the cup, I gotta have a t-shirt or something to go with it. So I got this gray crew neck sweater that says Hershey's Chocolate Co. And the Hershey's is outlined in that chocolate brown color, and then we have some brown lettering. So I got this to match. The gray goes with the silver bling in the cup, and then the chocolate brown lettering on the cup matches the chocolate brown lettering on the crew neck sweater and the hat. And when I put it on all together, it is going to eat down. I also bought some shoes specifically because I bought this crew neck sweater. So let me show y'all the shoes that I bought. I put together a whole thing, okay? And of course the shoes are by Nike. I am such a Nike girl. I love sneakers. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta have them because they are going to match perfectly with the stuff that I got from Hershey's Chocolate World. So let's get into them. So They have a chocolate brown color. Then it goes into a lighter brown color. Then it goes into gray. Then it goes into silver. And what does that match? Period. Period, okay? Hat. Okay? Hold on. Where's the sweater at? Where the sweater at? Because y'all got to see this. The whole fit is going to look so cute all together. So I live in California, and normally it's hot as hell out here, especially where I live, but we ended up having a sunny but kind of breezy, cool kind of day. So of course I pulled this outfit out and put it on. I was waiting for the weather to get a little cooler so I could put this outfit on. So this is how everything looks all together. I got a pair of chocolate brown leggings on that I got from Walmart for about 10 bucks. And the chocolate brown leggings really brought the whole outfit together, and we was looking cute. Okay, so now let's get into the nail stuff, because I know this is what y'all waiting for, so I ain't even gonna hold y'all too long. I did some ordering on Amazon, and I got some new stuff that I want to show you guys. So I have been wanting to try this Beetles Tipex Instant Apex Gel X system. So inside of this nail kit, you will find 224 nails in 16 different sizes. I ordered the kit that has coffin shaped nails, and they are also half matte, so you do not have to etch the underside of the nails. So let's open her up and see what else is inside. So, of course, it comes with instructions and an application guide. It also comes with a mini curing light to flash cure after you apply the nails with the nail glue gel that comes with it as well. It also comes with the charger cord. It did not come with the charger block that you have to put the cord into and plug into the wall, so you may want to go on Amazon and get you a block as well if you don't already have one at home. And it also comes with a 100/180 grit nail file. And these are all the nails, and it's called an Instant Apex because the nails basically have a thicker apex to where you don't have to apply any builder gel or anything to make the apex thicker. Normally press on nails and different Gel X nails, the apex is a little thinner, so basically these have a thicker apex, which helps your nails be a little more durable and thicker and last longer. As you can see in the picture here, the nails have a nice C curve to them, which I love. And the tips of the nails are not too thick, but they're not too thin. So I will definitely be applying these nails soon. And since I bought that nail kit, I bought some goodies to go along with it. So let's get into the next package. So I also bought some Instant Apex nails on the side by themselves, separate from the kit. So you do have an option to buy the whole kit that comes with the glue and the curing light and everything, or you can also just buy the tips by themselves if you already have a system. So I bought the Tipex Instant Apex shape in stiletto as well. So I will be doing me some Gel X sets, so y'all better stay tuned. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what you waiting for, boo? Go ahead and hit subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other content. You will be notified on all the videos that are coming soon, so stay locked in with me. But let's keep the haul going and flowing. So the next thing I got is some Beetles base coat and top coat. So after I apply my nails, whatever type of nails that I apply, I always apply a gel base coat so that the top coat has something to stick to, and the top coat will last longer and make your nails nice and shiny. So, and they also have a matte top coat as well. So this one is actually the shiny top coat with the gel base coat. I actually ran out, so I bought some more since I'm going to be applying Beetles nails, of course. After I apply the Gel X nails, I'm gonna need a base coat and a top coat. And of course, since I'm gonna be doing my Gel X set soon, I bought more Beetles gel polishes because I'm gonna paint my own nails and I'm gonna be creating my own nail sets. So I needed some new colors. Okay, so now let's get back into the chocolate brown stuff that I got from the M&M store in Las Vegas. So, like I said, I am a hat girly. So I got this hat. It says, melt in your mouth, not in your hand. Okay? And it says Las Vegas on the back. And I'm not sure what kind of strap you would call this, but it is adjustable in the back. And yeah, so let me show y'all how it looks on. It's so comfortable, and I love that it has a nice head space because I got a big old head. I really do. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So cute. And of course, I got a shirt to go with it. Now, I don't know if y'all know this, but the brown M&M, her name is Miss Brown. And she's the only M&M that has a Mr., Miss, Mrs., or anything before her name. So, y'all better put some respect on Miss Brown's name, okay? First of all, I love that her name is Miss Brown because, yes, Miss Brown. You see how red is just red, yellow is just yellow, green is just green, blue is just blue, and orange is just orange. But brown is Miss Brown. You know why? Because Miss Brown is that girl. So I got me a Miss Brown shirt to go with my hat. And Miss Brown is on the pocket. Super cute. Yes, look how she posing, because she that girl. Miss Brown is that girl. So I got the shirt to go with the hat. Super cute. Not too much, but I love it because I love the chocolate brown color. I love the brown M&M Miss Brown. She got so much sass and pizzazz just like me. So I had to get her to go with my hat. Period. So I put it on for y'all so y'all can see how it looks on. Cute. And I also got a Miss Brown mug. So cute. Super cute. She reminds me of me when I got my glasses on. And I also have the perfect shoes to go with the hat and this shirt and my mug. Everything chocolate brown. So we have the chocolate brown Nike Shocks. Put some leggings or some jeans with this and boom, you got a cute, simple, casual, comfy, girly tomboy outfit. That is just my style and I love it. So I received my first PR package from Born Pretty. They are a nail brand. Shout out to June from Born Pretty. She sent these over to me a while ago, but I never got around to doing a video and, you know, reviewing and swatching them. So I figured since all the colors from this collection are a different shade of chocolate brown, that I would review them and swatch them with you guys. And as you guys can see, this polish is so pretty. They have a really nice consistency. They're not too thick, but they're not thin and watery either. And look how shiny and glossy they are. I love the different variations of the browns and nudes. And look at this chocolate brown. It is so rich and pretty, like a chocolate bar. I love the redder burgundy-ish tones as well. And this set even has this really pretty sparkly kind of cinnamon color in it as well, which is perfect for fall. All of these colors are perfect for fall. August is pretty much over, so fall is actually here upon us already. So make sure you guys go on Amazon, check out Born Pretty gel polishes. They are so beautiful. I cannot wait to do me a Gel X nail set and paint my nails with this polish because it is so pretty. Definitely Born Pretty, period. Okay, so next up in the chocolate brown haul, I got these cup decorations from Amazon. I also ordered me a new 40-ounce tumbler from Amazon as well. It's by Aussie. So we are about to decorate my cup. So let's get into the contents of this package. So I tried to get the same color cup that's in this photo from Amazon. Mine is more of a caramel versus like a chocolate milk, but it's still cute and we still gonna put all the pieces on and it's still gonna give. So I just put on the silicone base for the bottom of the cup. It also comes with this really cute chocolate chip cookie straw topper, really easy to put on. You just slide it onto your straw and then the other end with the cookie on it tops your straw. And these are the rest of the pieces that came with the cup decorations. So you first have to put the silicone band around the rim of your cup. It has one hole on each end of the band so that you can hang your strap and your decorations through those holes. So next I am going to hang this super cute chocolate bar charm onto the cup. It has a latch connected to it that you just latch it right onto the hole. So boom, just like that, it's on there. And then this chocolate pretzel is so cute too. It also has a little latch and you just put it through the hole of the cup and it latches on. And then lastly we are going to attach the cup handle, and we're going to attach it the same way with the little latches that's on each end of the handle. You put it through those holes that's on the rim of the cup, and just like that we have decorated our cup, and it is so cute. I love these cup decorations. Whoever came up with this idea is a genius. So not everything from this video has a link, but everything that has a link I will link it in the description. And excuse my stuffy nose, I ended up getting sick and I'm doing the last of my editing for this video, so I apologize for the stuffy nose, but I'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.